ingredient is diced potatoes. Don't you dare. Do not hit the end button just yet. I said it, yes. Diced canned potatoes. They probably will be found on the vegetable aisle in most stores. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you drain the potatoes, and then you want to transfer the potatoes to a microwavable dish, and then cover the potatoes with water, not too much water, just enough to cover them. And you want to place them in the microwave for 3.5 to 4 minutes, depending on the number of cans that you will be microwaving. Here I have 2 cans of diced potatoes. So let's go ahead and let's start. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is transfer or make sure that the potatoes in a bowl or container that's large enough for you to be able to do a little mashing. Now, if you prefer to have the potatoes diced the way that they are with that particular consistency, that's fine. But I prefer to have some of the potatoes a little mashed, not too mashed like it's, mashed potatoes. You want to be able to taste some of the chunks in the potatoes. So you just want to kind of mash around like that. Okay. Give it a good mash. And again, it's up to you how much of mashing you would do. And for me, that looks about the way that I want those there. So, all right. Next, you want to add your pimentos here. All right. And you want to make sure that you drain the pimentos here. Make sure that you drain, because when you don't drain the pimentos, you may find that the potato salad will have like a reddish color once you mix the mayo in with the potatoes and the other ingredients. And so here I had maybe 1/4 to a tablespoon of pimentos. Again, it is totally up to you. More so, I kind of like it for the color more so than the taste as it relates to the pimentos, okay? All right, next you want to add sweet relish here, all right? And this is another ingredient, it depends on your taste. And you want to make sure too that you kind of drain the sweet relish as well, just like that. Just drain it there. And here you have like a tablespoon of the sweet relish. And if you want to add a little bit more, maybe 2 tablespoons is fine of the sweet relish there. Okay. All right. Okay. And next, okay, you want to add, this here is one of my favorites. This is by Morton. It is the Nature seasoning, Nature Seasons, because it's a blend of salt, black pepper, sugar, onion flavor, celery seed, and parsley. This here really adds good flavor to your dishes here. And so with this here, not too much, maybe like 1/4 of a teaspoon of the Nature seasoning, because you don't want too much sodium. You have to kind of make sure you mix it around, because as I stated, it's a blend of spices, and that should there be enough of that there, just so you can have that celery taste. And celery is kind of strong in and of itself. Okay. All right. And next you want to take some white vinegar, okay, here, and you want 1 teaspoon of the white vinegar. Okay, just 1 teaspoon of that. Okay, not too much there. Okay. Okay, now it's time for you to add your mayo. Now, I prefer Hellmann's mayo. Now, this is the part where it does matter to me as it relates to the potato salad and to make it that famous potato salad. The mayo does make a big difference. I prefer Hellmann's in my potato salad. And now the amount that you actually add to the potato salad is up to you. 2 cans of potatoes, I probably would not recommend more than maybe 1.5 cups of mayo there. Okay. All right. So next you want to add a little yellow mustard. Okay. Now this is not mustard potato salad, but you just want to add just a little hint of the mustard. Not too much here, just for color's sake there. Okay. And now you want to add your eggs. Okay. Now, I love eggs in my potato salad. So what I normally do is I will cut the eggs in half so that I could get just about all of them in my chopper here. Okay, so however many cans of potatoes, I would put 2 eggs per can. Okay, so we'll just add that to the chopper there. Okay, all right, and that's like a nice little consistency. Now you may see some of the egg white that did not quite chop, and that's fine. You can still include it in, and you can kind of use a knife to dice it down, or you can just leave it just as it is there. Okay, looks like a lot of eggs, huh? But it makes that potato salad what it is, famous. Okay, and we'll put that there and that on top there. Okay, now it's time to stir around here. Okay, and just give it a good stir. And look at that. And if you see that you want to add maybe some more pimentos, or if you want to add some more of the nature seasoning, you can. It's solely up to you. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Oh, doesn't that look good? And also the vinegar helps to loosen the potato salad up as well. And then also you may find if it looks like, oh, it looks a little watery, once the potato salad, once it settles, it's going to stiffen some. So you want to make sure, again, that you have it a little loose, not running, but a little loose, because once you refrigerate it, it will stiffen some, and that way you won't have to add more mayo. Okay, so we will get ready to transfer the potato salad to a smaller dish, if you would. And so we have this bowl here that we use for the eggs, and you would just transfer it to a smaller dish, and you have just saved time from all the dicing that potato salad normally requires. Now, if you have like extra eggs or more eggs that you have boiled, you can always like kind of slice boiled eggs and kind of place them on top of the potato salad if you want. So again, famous potato salad. Yes. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, remember that a sharing heart is a caring heart. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.